With every rising sun, a new story begins. Here in Bangladesh, fields draped in green, rivers whispering old tales. Life floats gently, woven with nature's rhythm. Clouds descend upon the hills like dreams you can touch. Psyche's morning calls softly. Come, lose yourself here. The people are simple, their smiles genuine, their hearts open. Hospitality is their language. Tiny dreams walk along muddy paths. Dust and hope mix together in the journey ahead. Bangladesh is more than nature's beauty. It's built on faiths coexisting peacefully, side by side. The city hums with chaos and charm. Every sound, every corner tells a different tale. And when you stand before the world's longest sea beach, you realize Bangladesh isn't just a place, it's a feeling. This is my country, my people, my soil. This is Bangladesh. More than a land to see, it's a land to feel. Thank you so much.